First impression, this case definitely feels super duper solid with how thick it is. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome tech videos about things like smartwatches, phones, tech accessories, computers, and really just so much more. Anyway guys, in this video we're going to be unboxing this guy right here, the OtterBox DEFENDER PRO case for none other than my beautiful iPad Pro 5th generation. This is of course the one with the M1 chip, and this is also the 12.9-inch version, so that does have the Liquid Retina XDR display as well. If you're interested in learning more about this tablet, definitely check out my full unboxing of it. I'll have a link to that in the description. But anyway folks, let's get this case out of the box. Over here in the front of the box, you can actually touch the case right here with this big cutout. Anyway, now let's just open this up so we can tear this tape up here, and then voila, open it up from the top right here, and then we could slide the actual case out. Ooh, and looks like the paperwork just fell out all by itself. Now the box over here is empty. We can put this to the side, and here is the case. So let's pop it out of this stand right here, and oh man, first impression, this case is gigantic. I know it's a big iPad, but this bad boy right here is definitely very thick as well. Now we can just put this stand to the side, and let's start disassembling the case right here to put it onto my iPad Pro. So first you're going to want to take this outer layer off of the case right here, and then from there you're going to want to split this inner shell into its two separate pieces. So let's just plop my beautiful iPad Pro right into this case right here. And where is the top piece? Here it is. And then we can go ahead and just snap these two pieces together. And now actually, before we put the outer shell in the case, now that we have the two inner pieces connected, I believe you have to peel this off right here in order to create a sticky seal between this inner case in addition to the outer layer right here. So, ooh, that is definitely very sticky. I accidentally touched it right there. And let's see, we can just put this all right in here. And this is a bit of a workout, if I do say. You got to make sure it is nice and sealed all around the edges. And then voila, I think now I got this case all on my iPad Pro right here. Check it out. Oh yeah. And again, first impression, this case definitely feels super duper solid with how thick it is. So that's definitely a good thing if you're into a very protective case for your iPad Pro. And one thing that I've already noticed that seems very cool is this part of the case. You can actually open it up right there in order to access the side of your iPad right here for attaching your Apple Pencil. Also over here on this side, we do have the two volume buttons right here. And over here on the top, we got cutouts for two of the speakers. Over here on the bottom, we got a cutouts for the other two speakers down here. We've also got a little flap that covers the USB-C and now Thunderbolt port on this 5th generation 12.9 iPad Pro. And over here, we got a little cutout for the mic. And over here on the back, we've got a little circular viewing area to look at the Apple logo. This is covered by sort of like a plasticky, maybe screen protector like material right here, so you can't actually touch the back of the iPad. This is covered. And then over here, we do have a complete cutout though for the rear camera array on this iPad. And last but not least, we have the OtterBox logo. Another thing that you will notice on the front of the iPad is it actually has a raised lip around this case, so that way in theory, if you put your iPad down on a flat surface such as a table, the screen should not touch the table, which is definitely great. You know, with a screen this big, you definitely do not want to scratch it. Anyway, now that we've had a look around the case right here, let's check out this stand. So we can simply prop it up just like this and then put my iPad Pro into it, and boom, now it is at this perfect viewing angle for, I don't know, maybe watching YouTube videos or movies or TV shows or whatever you really want to watch. And then you can actually go ahead and turn your stand around and place your iPad down on it for the iPad to be at this less inclined viewing angle right here if you want to go ahead and type on your iPad. Now, last but not least, believe it or not, the stand actually has another feature. You can actually put the stand aspect of it down right here and then put your iPad Pro into it to use it to protect the screen when you are not using the iPad. So as you can hear, you can just clip it in nice and securely, and then boom, now you've got this monster brick of a case protecting your iPad. Personally, in my opinion, this is much too thick for my liking. I think I definitely prefer the other OtterBox case that I have used with this iPad, the OtterBox Symmetry. And that case is actually cheaper. It's about $90, whereas this one costs a whopping $130. So that's actually the same price as an Apple Pencil. Not exactly cheap. But yeah, if you're interested in learning more about OtterBox's Symmetry case for the 5th generation M1 iPad Pro, I'll have a link to that video also down in the description, so check that out. But I mean, for me personally, I just think this case is too bulky and also too, you know, cheap plastically feeling with this giant stand right here. Again, that's what another thing I really like about OtterBox's Symmetry case for the iPad, that the stand is actually built in, whereas this, it is not. Definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of the OtterBox Defender for the M1 5th generation iPad Pro right here. And if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye, guys.